The Kirtan Kriya is a powerful meditation that works on the mental faculties, mental acuity, sharpness, concentration, memory, and it also helps to improve sleep and reduce the impact that stress has on us, the negative impacts. It also helps you to shift the negative talk habit patterns you might have. So if you know that you have thought patterns that sabotages your efforts all the time, and you want to shift that, then Kirtan Kriya is a good one to do. And then also, if you're looking to find a way to move out someone else's energy that you feel like you're carrying, that's been a big influence for you psychically, this is also a good meditation to do. The mantra is Sa Ta Na Ma. And you'll move your mudra, your hand position, with each syllable. So it's Sa Ta Na Ma. Sa Ta Na Ma. Index finger and thumb together calls on wisdom and knowledge. Middle finger and thumb calls on patience. Ring finger and thumb calls on vitality, the strength of our immune system. And the pinky and thumbs call on our ability to communicate, all really great things that we want to cultivate. Then the visualization for this is to imagine with each syllable energy coming in, life force energy coming in through the crown center and projecting out to the third eye point. So it's like an L formation. Sa, ta, na, ma. So as you're doing this, a continuous flow, a visualization of this energy going in and out, going into the crown center, which governs our connection to everything, the interconnectedness to everything in the world, projecting out our truth. Okay, and put that all together. Your drishti, your eye focus is at the third eye point. So you put the visualization together with the sounds and the mudras. And then the final thing to note is that we're going to do this if you're doing this for 12 minutes, you're going to do this for, you're going to chant this out loud for 2 minutes. And then the next 2 minutes, you'll whisper chant it. And then you'll, for the next 4 minutes, so double the time, you're going to silently chant it. Keep the mudra going. And then after that, 2 minutes of going back to whisper chant. And then the final 2 minutes is chanting it out loud again. 2, 2, 4, 2, 2. Out loud, whisper, silently, whisper, and then out loud. Okay, so this is what it would look like. Sa ta na ma. Sa ta na ma, and then next 2 minutes, sa ta na ma, sa ta na ma. Then 4 minutes silently. Then 2 minutes whisper, sa. Then 2 minutes out loud. Sa ta na ma, sa ta na ma. And that's the Kirtan Kriya. And if you're enjoying that so much, because you may immediately, some of us it takes longer to feel it, and some of us we just feel it immediately, and you're like, I need to do more of this. You can make this, instead of a total of 12 minutes, you can do this for 30 minutes. Okay, so that's 5 minutes out loud, 5 minutes whisper, then double that time to 10 minutes of doing it silently, back to 5 minutes whisper, and then 5 minutes out loud. Okay, so 5, 5, 10, 5, 5. And usually when we just teach this in class, we do it for 12 minutes, which is 2, 2, 4. 2, 2.